Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to continue with the second formula for quick multiplication, so to speak, and this is the formula a plus or minus b to the power of 3. Let's jump right into it. So first we do algebraic derivation. A plus b to the power of 3 means a plus b times a plus b times a plus b 3 times. Okay, now I know already from the previous video that this is a plus b to the power of 2, which is the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared times a plus b, and now I just multiply again with by the principle each with each. So a squared times a is a to the power of 3 plus a squared b plus 2a squared b plus 2ab squared plus ab squared plus b to the power of 3, and now I add the similar monomials. So a to the power of 3, now I have this one here, a squared b plus 2 times a squared b, this is 3 times a squared b, and then I have this one here plus 3 times ab squared plus b to the power of 3. Okay, and this is my formula. Again, I remember this one because the exercises will necessitate its application. Let's do the other one, a minus b to the power of 3. So this is a minus b times a minus b times a minus b. This one is a minus b to the power of 2, so a squared minus 2ab plus b squared times a minus b. I do the exact same procedure as before, each with each. A to the power of 3 minus a squared b minus 2a squared b, sorry, plus 2ab squared, okay, plus a b squared, and then at the end I get minus b to the power of 3. Add the similar monomials, a to the power of 3 minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b to the power of 3. Okay, and again in the same fashion as before, I thinking about it in terms of the first and the second item or term in the bracket, no matter what it actually is. So first plus or minus second to the power of 3 is the first to the power of 3 plus or minus 3 times the first to the power of 2 times the second plus 3 times the first times the second to the power of 2 minus the second to the power of 3. Okay, this is how I think about it. This formula again has a geometric interpretation in terms of having a cube which is cut into various bodies or regions, but it's kind of difficult to present it here. You can look at it online, so I just want to jump right in the exercises. Let's see how we apply this formula in particular cases. So let's do, what do we want to do? Well, let's start with 10, the third one, a plus 2/3 to the power of 3. Okay, so I get exercise or example 1 or exercise 1, a plus 2/3 to the power of 3. Okay, I use the logic of the formula, I follow the instructions of the formula. So the first to the power of 3, a to the power of 3, plus 3 times the first to the power of 2 times the second one, okay, plus 3 times the first, this is my first here, this is my second, the first times the second to the power of 2, and finally I get plus the second to the power of 3. Okay, So I can reduce here a to the power of 3 plus 2a squared plus this is the same as 4 over 9. I can cancel the 3 and the 9 and I get 4/3 a plus 8 over 27, and this is my standard form. Okay, let's do another example. Which one do we want? Let's do what? 12, the third one, x squared minus a squared over 2 to the power of 3. Let's do this one. Was it over? Yeah, over 2 to the power of 3. This is my first, this is my second. Okay, so x to the power of 6. Okay, this is the first to the power of 3 minus 3 times the first to the power of 2, x to the power of 4, times the second, plus 3 times the first times the second to the power of 2, a to the power of 4 over 4, and finally minus the second to the power of 3, a to the power of 6 over 8. Okay, and that's basically it, right? X to the power of 6 minus 3 halves, which is 1.5, a squared x to the power of 4 plus 0.75, this is 3/4, a to the power of 4x to the power of 2 minus a to the power of 6 over 8. I'll just leave it like that. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Let's do 15, the second one. Okay, this one here, 3 times minus x minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 2 minus x to the power of 3. So 3 times minus x minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 2 minus x to the power of 3. Okay, let's do this one. So remember from last video, we can apply a property of the power numbers. We can exchange the signs here and nothing changes. So I'll write it in this way: 3, just write x plus 1 to the power of 2 is the same. Okay, we've showed why this is true in the previous video. 2 times 2 minus x to the power of 3. Always remember, powering is before multiplication. Powering has precedence over multiplication. So first we apply the formula and then we multiply by 3. X squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 2 times, and now we have to apply this formula. This is 8 minus 3 times the first to the power of 2. 3 times 4 is 12x plus 3 times the first, 3 times 2 is 6, times the second to the power of 2, and finally minus the second to the power of 3. Okay, and now I remove the brackets. I get 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 plus 16 minus 24x plus 12x squared minus 2x to the power of 3. Okay, and I add the similar. So this one is of the highest power, it has no similar monomials. 3x to the power of 2 plus 12, I get 15x to the power of 2 plus 6 minus 24, this is minus 18x, and finally plus 19, and this is my standard form. Makes sense? Let's do one more. Okay, what do we want to do? Which one do we want to do? I don't know. Let's do number 14, the first one. Okay, let's do number 14. X plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2 to the power of 3. multiply everything. Start with these two brackets, so each with each. X squared minus x plus x, these cancel, minus 1. Apply the formula, x to the power of 3 minus 3 x squared times 2, 6x to the power of 2, plus 3 times x times 4, 12x minus 8. And now each with each. So x squared times x to the power of 3 is x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 4 plus 12x to the power of 3 minus 8x to the power of 2. And now the minus 1 will just exchange the signs. So minus x to the power of 3 plus 6x to the power of 2 minus 12x. Minus 12x and plus 8, right? Okay, so this is of the highest power, has no similar. This one has no similar. So x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 4 plus 12 minus 1 is plus 11x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 minus 12x plus 8. Okay, and this is, I believe, the standard form. Okay, well, that's it. Very simple. Just practice the formula, try it on your own. If you want, here are some exercises that you can try. Just do the standard form of these brackets, open the brackets, see whether it works or not. You can check it with an online calculator, and that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.